Hi class, I'm Manish. Today I want to introduce you find missing one. It of course based on reasoning. First of all, first question written on your faceboard. According to this question, there has been a circle in which 4 diagonal and 8 boxes in which written some number. But there has been a blank box. We have to find out what will be your next number. If you will be apply your common sense, you may of course make this question because it is too easy question. First of all, we have to understood that how has been written this boxes in this number. When 21 added plus 2, then we get 23, and 23 be added plus 2, then we get 25. Okay, such as 27 be added 3, then we get 30, 30 be added plus 3, then we get 33, and 33 be added plus 3, then we get 36. Okay, then how will be added in 2, then we get 21. If 19 plus 2 added, then we get 21. According to your question mark, question place blank box equal to your answer will be 19. Okay, it is too easy question. If you may apply your common sense, you may of course make this question. It is too easy. Understand? According to your next question, there has been 3 circles in which 2 diagonal and written some number. But according to the third circle, there has been a blank box in which question mark. We have to find out what will be your next number coming from question mark. First of all, we have to understand that how has been written this number in the boxes. When 5 plus 4 added, then we get 9, and 5 multiply 4, then we get 20. Okay, understand? 5 multiply 4, then we get 20, and 5 be added to 4, then we get 9. Such as according to this process, we of course apply the next circle. 3 be added 8, then we get 11, but 3 be multiplied by 8, then we get 24. Then we can of course apply the same process according to the third circle. When 9 multiplied 4, then we get 36. According to your next number coming from what we of course write at here 36, and 9 be added 4, then we get 13. Okay, understand? Note it if you want. According to your next question, there has been 2 rectangles in which 5 number, but according to the second rectangle, we have to find out inside the missing number. First of all, we have to understand how will be written this number inside these boxes. If you may apply all the mathematical rules according however you know. First of all, 85 added 17 and subtract 44 added 19. Diagonal be added and both we subtract, then we get middle box number 39. Okay, 85 added 17 and 19 added by 44, and when we subtract from each other, then we get middle boxes number. Then we can of course apply the second boxes and second rectangle. For second rectangle, when 17 added 134 and subtract 21 added 32 equal to 48. Your answer will be find out equal to 48. If you understand, you may of course want to note it. According to your next question, there has been a rectangle in which 9 boxes was but 3 blank boxes. We have to find out these three missing number. First of all, we have to understand that how has been written this number in this inside these boxes. When 7 be added 1, 7 be added plus 1, then we get 8. 8 be added plus 1, then we get 9. 9 be added plus 1, then we get 10. Then we can of course write 10 be added plus 1, then we get 11. And 11 be added plus 1, then we get 12. And 12 be added plus 1, then we get 13. Okay, according to your missing number, we can of course write it 11, 12 and 13. Answer. Understand? It is too easily question. It has been written according to the natural number, dependent on your counting. According to your next question, there has been two triangles in which written outside 3 number and inside 1 number. But according to your next triangle, outside has been written 3 number, but inside this triangle there has been a missing number. We have to find out this missing number. First of all, we have to understand how has been written this number according to the first triangle. When we have to apply all the method of mathematical rule: addition, divide, subtract, multiply, cube, square and many other rules of mathematical, then we find the missing number. When 184, 841 plus 784 plus 729 be a square root, then we get, when we will be find out 841 to the square root, then we get 29. 784 to the square root, then we get 28, and 729 of a square root, then we get 27. And both of these number, when we will be added, then we get 84. Okay, then we same apply method for second triangle. Then we can of course write for second triangle 225 be a square root plus 196 of number be a square root and 169 of number be a square root, then we get 225 equal to 15, 196 of a square root, then we get 14, 169 of a square root this number, then we get 13. And when we will be added both of these three number, then we can of course write it 42. Then according to your question mark, question place and a space of what, we can of course write 42. Understand? If you want to understand this question, you may of course subscribe my YouTube channel Chaurasia Mathematics 2.0. Okay, if you want, you may of course note it. According to your next question, there has been two circle in which 4 number. Inside this circle, a small circle in which written had been a number. But according to the second circle, we have to of course find out what will be your next number coming from the space of and the place of what. First of all, we have to understand how has been written this number inside this circle. Then we can of course find the missing number. When 5 be added 8, 8 be added 3, and then we get 16. 16 to the whole square, then we get 256. Okay. When 5 be added 8, 8 be added 3, then we get 16, and 16 to the whole square, then we can of course get the middle number of this inside this circle equal to 256. Then we have to of course find out the square root of 676. We can of course get 26. Then 11 be added 7, 7 be added what, then we get 26. because 26b square, then we can write 626. According to the place of what, we can of course write it 26 minus 18 equal to 8. According to the place of 8, we can of course write, according to the place of what, we can of course write 8. Understand? When 5 we added 8, 8 we added 3, then we can get 16, and 16 to the whole square, then we can get the middle number of circle equal to 256. But according to the second circle, there has been written inside the circle of value equal to 676. Then we can of course find out the square root of 676. Then we can get 26. Then we can of course write it 11b added 7 and 7b added what, then we can get 26. And according to the place of what, we can of course write it 8. Understand? If you want, you may of course note it, because this question is most compulsory for your examination. It has been of course asked in many competitive examination. Okay, many competitive examinations, so I want to repeat it. According to your next question, there has been 3 circle written some number. If you want, you may of course make this question. I can wait for it. Okay. First of all, we have to understand that how has been written this number according to these boxes. According to the first circle, when 18 multiplied 2, then we get 36, and 18 multiplied 5, then we get 90. Okay. According to the second circle, when 13 multiplied 2, then we get 26, and 13 multiplied 5, then we get 65. Okay, understand? There has been clear? Have you any doubt? Then we can of course apply the same method for third circle. According to the third circle, we can of course write 15 multiply 2, then we get 30, 15 multiply 5, then we get 25. According to the place of what, we can of course write it 30. Okay, according to the place of what, we can write at here 30. If you may understand, according to my channel Chorse Mathematics 2.0, these were of course based on reasoning classes, and my classes getting to touching your heart, my video of course getting to touching your heart. You may of course subscribe my channel Chorse Mathematics 2.0, because according to the Chorse Mathematics 2.0, all the subjects such as reasoning, mathematics, tech and non-tech, physics, chemistry, biology are of course available in my channel. GKGS will be of course available in my channel, and if you want, you may of course learn and study my channel according to my channel standard of 12 of mathematics live. Okay, if you want, you may of course subscribe my channel Chorse Mathematics 2.0, and want to help me, you may of course share my video. Thanks for watching.